back to my channel. My name is Ezinma, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I made this wig all by myself. Yay! If you know me, you know that I have like zero skills in hair making, but right now I'm gonna add that to my CV. Wig maker, check. Yes. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make your own wigs all by yourself without any closure, without any frontals. Yes, this is a first timers guide. Yes, a first timers guide for all first timers. Obviously I've never done this before. This is my first time of making a wig all by myself, and I totally enjoyed the whole process, and I just had to share this with you guys. So if you'd love to see how I got on in making this hair, stick around. To start making your wig, you would need 3 to 4 bundles of hair. I'm just using 100% raw human hair for this wig. And then you would need a dome cap. You would need a curved needle or straight weaving needle, any of the two. You would also need weaving thread and a mannequin head to support your cap and your weave. Sew each weft of the hair to the cap from side to side. So I'll say from one side of the cap to the other side, or from one ear to the other ear. So you keep doing it in a line just like that, you know, from side to side until you get to the front. Now at the front is where you're going to put like a U part, you know, like a U shape. So you're going to leave that U shape at the front so that you can create your invisible pattern.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.
When you get to the front of your hair, just make a little U part. That U part is what you're going to use to create your invisible pattern. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to like sew just that particular space in the front. You're just going to put each weft close to each other, like very close to each other, not overlapping each other, but just very close to each other, so that there is no space in between each weft. When you do that, by the time you create your side part or your center part, you're not going to see the thread under the hair, you're not going to see the weft under the hair. All you will see is your parting. So be very, very careful, very, very patient, and very, very attentive to this particular process, to this particular part of your wig making. This is like the closure of your wig, and this is the make or break of your wig. If you get it right, you have a beautiful invisible pattern. If you get it wrong, girl, you have to start again. Like, you have to make sure you find a way to work it out and do it again. But all I would advise you to do is make sure you close that empty U place very well. You make sure you sew your weft very close to each other. There shouldn't be any space where you can see the net. Don't make any space. Just keep on sewing very, very close to each other until you close the weave. So when you're done with closing your weave, you can now create your invisible part. And if you do this part very well, you'll see that you wouldn't find any thread or you wouldn't find any weft showing. It's just going to be a nice little part with your hair on both sides. It's beautiful. So this is, I'm just brushing, you know, the hair down. So when you are done, you can brush your hair neatly, and then you could also cut out any shredded hair, just like what you can see in the front. I'm just going to use a scissors and cut it out. But first off, I'm going to use my straightener to apply heat on my parting so that my parting stays just in place. It doesn't shift, it doesn't move. I'm just going to put my straightener on there to make sure my pattern stays nice and tidy. I plaited my hair all back just like this, so that when I wear my wig can, you know, lie down flat on my head without any bumps. So I can wear this hair as a side parting or a center parting. I can put all my hair to one shoulder. That's it. Hey, that's it. Hey.
So this is the whole finished look. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know anything and everything. And if you've got pictures of your wig, your DIY wig, please send it to me via Instagram, via DM on Instagram at What Mommy Loves. I would love to see all your videos and pictures of how you guys got on in making your own wig all by yourself without any lace frontals or closures, whatever. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Yes, support your girl, support your girl. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.